Hello guys, today we have something. This is Redmi Note 5 Pro and we booked it on MI official website. Oh my god, I think I have tore the bill. Now it's here. It is here and let's open it. This is the bill. This is the bill and we don't need now. And you can see MI. It is here fully packed and I love to break it pp. And this is Redmi Note 5 Pro and we don't have any plate now. So now I have this pin. This is the pin of Redmi Note 4 and I'm opening it from this. I guess I did it. So it is made in India, not made in China. Okay, so it is here. It is here and we have to open like this. Oh my god, there's one more seal. We have to break it. Okay, little stubborn, but we have more. I booked it in sale and even then I had to fight. Oh my god, one more. There are two seals and I did not see this because I was little excited to open it, but not an issue. We have to just open it and it is 6 GB RAM variant, as you can see. So it is finally, it is open now. Don't say there's one more seal. My god, there is one more seal. My god, it is like finally it's tan. Oh my god, this is the phone. It's like, so first we have one cover which is little black and transparent, so it's good. And other thing which we have, this is Redmi Note 5 Pro double camera 6 GB RAM variant and it's looking good. It is a nice feeling to take it on in hand. 20 GB front camera, or not 20 GB, sorry, 20 megapixel and AI powered dual camera setup. So it is a great feeling to open it, and let's take it side and open it. This is just for reading and nobody reads it. I feel it. And there is one more pin and now we have two pins here, and this is a charger. Let me read it. What is the it is 5 volt 2 ampere. It's not a fast charger basically. And this is the cable, which is not very long but the quality is good. Now here we have something very special. Let's on it. This is the first phase and this unboxing is very late, I know, but finally I got it. And let's talk about this cover. How does it look in this? So basically it is very slim and it is looking good in this cover. This is the premium look of this cover, and the black color variant is great, as we all know. It's okay. Now let's set up this, and I think I need to take out this polythene from on it. So here we go. So always choose English for India. Okay, and let's find India. It is here. Now Gboard, yes, we want the same. And we have here Amazon. This is our Wi-Fi. Let's do it now. Yes, it is. Okay. Checking for SIM card. There is no SIM card. So check it later. No. Escape. We have to make one MIID for it. Default, yes. The setup is complete now. Look, there are very little bezels, and upper there is a IR blaster, and there's a speaker, the mic, and the headphone jack. Agree. Previous versions for Android, turn off the access the location. Okay, let's do it. It is loading apps. It will take a little time. Till then, let's show you jack of this, not jack, SIM tray. It is hybrid SIM slot. You can use either one SIM or one memory card, or you can use two SIMs in one time. Loading apps. Let's end this video here, and might be after a few days I can make a review for this phone. Until then, it is just unboxing. I hope you like this, and thank you for watching this video, and have a great day.